welcome to our channel. In this video, let's see about the tricky interview question, which is why there is gap in your career. This question can be asked for both freshers and experienced in case if you have career gap. Here I have included sample answer also for this for both freshers and experienced. To know more about the HR interview questions for freshers and experienced, I have added separate videos for that covers many interview questions which is frequently asked, so you can refer that. I will include a link for that in the description box, so please refer that. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get started. Career gap. First we need to understand what is it and when it is considered to be a gap in the career. It means if you are not employed for less than 1 year, between 1 to 3 years, between 3 to 5 years, or greater than 5 years. All these are considered as different types of career gaps. So something which is greater than 6 months, you can consider that as a career gap and explain that. It is applicable both for freshers and experienced. Let's see about the things to keep in mind before answering this interview question. First of all, be prepared to talk about your reason. If you have career gap, definitely you will get this question related to your reason for the career gap. So always prepare for this reason and also how you want to present that in the interview. Like that, be prepared. Next thing, be honest. Never tell any lies related to this career gap, because employers will always do your background verification. So you might get caught. So always be honest. Let it be like even simple reasons also, but be honest. Then don't feel guilty. Some people will feel guilty like I have career gap. Like that, no need to think. We are just trying for some job. So there is nothing here to feel guilty. Then don't go too much in detail. While explaining about the reason for your career gap, don't go too much unless they ask. Then keep your skills updated. So now you want to try again for your job, right? So you should keep your skills updated. It is your responsibility. Assure it won't happen in future. Whatever reason you are telling, you need to assure that like it won't happen in future. I have included some sample reasons for this career gap, which is common for many people. This is just to give you an idea and like under which category you are falling. Like that you can check and answer. First one, tried for exams. This is applicable for many of you because nowadays many people they are trying for government jobs, bank jobs only. So this is like one of the valid reasons. Then health problems. This is applicable for either you or your family member. Family member means it can be either for your mother or father. You can tell and like alternatively what you have done to go for job now. Like that you can explain. Then tried business. This business is for either like own business or you might have joined your father's or mother's business. Then marriage or maternity. This is mostly applicable for girls. You might have like after marriage you might want to take some break and then want to rejoin your career. Maternity leaves also like have grow your child and then only want to join. So that is also you can explain. Then you did not get any job. You have tried but you didn't get any job. Or you lost your previous job means you can explain the reasons for that and why there is gap till now. Like that you can explain. Let's see one sample answer for fresher considering government exam as a reason. I was preparing for government exam as my parents forced me to do it. But after trying for 2 years, I realized it was not best for me and really wanted to work in the position in which I am interested. My parents also accepted it now. So now I have upgraded my skills for the IT industry to achieve my career goals. I felt this position is what I am looking for and I assure that I would do the best services to the company. Sample answer 2 for fresher. So here this fresher has tried for some jobs but he didn't get anything. So that we can see. After my graduation, I attended few interviews. Though I have good technical knowledge, I was not able to clear them because of lack of understanding about the skills which is really needed for these jobs. So I took some time to re-evaluate my career goals and upgrade my skills. This job is exactly what I have been waiting for, and I believe I can add significant value to your company while achieving my goals. Now let's see sample answer for experienced person. Here let's consider this person has some family situation, so he left his job. I had to leave my previous organization due to a family emergency, and I have been taking care of my family for these 3 years. However, thankfully the problem has been taken care of and steps have been taken care to ensure no such emergencies will arise in the future. Keeping all that in the past, I am attending this interview with the right skills by updating myself and having confidence to start working again now. Let's see another sample answer for experienced person. Here this person has left his job as he want to try for some business. I left my previous job as I wanted to try for business. But due to some personal problems I was not able to sustain in it. However, I had gained many experience and lessons from it. Now I wanted to restart my career in the area in which I am having 8 years of experience and found this wonderful opportunity in the job site. I assured that I would do the best services to the company. Okay viewers, that's all about this career gap interview question. I hope this was useful for you. If you have any questions, please mention that in the comment box. I will try to reply for that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us.